everyone, how's it going? For today's fun video, I'm going to be showing you how to draw a Valentine's Day shark. So I hope you follow along and enjoy this video today. Now to start off with our Valentine's Day shark, let's begin by drawing the face. So I'm going to start right here and I'll begin with the eye. I'll start right here and let's make a circle for an eye just like this. Next, let's make a smaller circle right inside of here. And let's go ahead and color this in. We're going to color black right around there and just leave the eyeball white. Now, starting right here, let's make the top of the head. So I'll begin here, and I'm going to draw a line that's just going to come up here. Next, we're going to curve this down and bring it right to here. Then let's make a little curved line right there to show that the shark is smiling. Right here, we're going to bring this line up. And then let's curve this down right here. We'll bring this down a little farther too. Now, right up here, I'm going to make a little dot for the nose. And then I'll make a little eyebrow for our shark. Next, starting here, I'm going to make a little wiggly line that comes all the way down. And then inside of here, I'm going to make some teeth. So let's make some little pointy teeth right across the bottom of the shark. And then we'll make some teeth right along here. We'll make some sharp pointed teeth right along here for our shark's mouth. Now, right across here, I'm going to make a wavy line so it looks like he is swimming in the water. Now, right up here, I want to make a heart. So I'm going to start here, and I'll make a line that's going to curve around, and then it's going to come down here. Then I'll make another line that's just going to curve here, and I'll stop right there. Inside of here, I'm going to make a couple little bumps, and then I'll just connect this line down here. So it looks like there's a little bite taken out of the little heart. And then right here, I'm going to make a little line that's just going to curve down for the fin of our shark. And there you go. There is your drawing of a little Valentine's Day shark. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed.